Hello, young lords. Welcome to this session. I am going to talk about a very important tense today. This is a simple future tense. Let me define it first. The simple future tense states that some work, action, activity will take place in the future time normally. Example: I shall teach future progressive tense tomorrow. You will go to Patna next day. She will complete her lesson tomorrow. Now, let me talk about the structure of this tense. Affirmative sentence: subject plus shall or will plus V1 plus object. Example: I shall help you. You will help her. She will go to Patna. Negative: subject plus shall or will plus note plus V1 plus object. Example: I shall not go to market today. You will not do your homework tomorrow. She will not watch this serial tomorrow. Interrogative: shall or will plus subject plus V1 plus object. Example: will you go to college tomorrow? Will she or he go to a school tomorrow? Next, interrogative negative: shall or will plus subject plus note plus V1 plus object question mark at the end. Example: will he not help him? Will you not help her? Short form: shan't or won't plus subject plus V1 plus object. Example: shan't I go to college the next day? Won't you help her? Won't she help him? Etc. Now let me talk about the usage of simple future tense. The simple future tense is generally used in life, so it is third most used tense in a life-like situation in life. The first use simple future tense is used to express some work, action, activity which will be done in the future time normally. Example: I shall teach future continuous tense next day. He will go to Patna tomorrow. She will not go to college tomorrow. All these sentences show that work, action, activity in question will take place normally in the future time. Second use: future indefinite tense or simple future tense is used to express firm determination, firm decision, firm intention, form threat, command, willingness, etc. In that case, the inversion of shall and will takes place. Shall is used with second and first person in this case, and will is used with the first person pronoun. Look at the example. I will attend the seminar tomorrow. We will help you. She shall complete her homework. You shall not repeat this mistake again. This plot of land shall be equally divided between 5 brothers. Next use. Simple future tense is used to state conditional number 1, conditional type 1, or likely possible conditional. Example, in such case, the if clause or subordinate clause is simple present tense and the result clause is simple future. Look at these examples. If I go to market, I shall purchase a dictionary. If he comes to me, I shall help him. If he labors hard, he will pass the examinations in the first division. Thus, simple future tense is very useful. It is the third most used tense of all the 12 tenses. For detail study, visit description section. The description section has the study material on different aspects of simple future tense. That's all. Thanks everybody.